Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 71. 어머니, 어머니. Again, our word for today is 어머니. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. First syllable is second syllable is mo, and third syllable is ni. Pronounce it with me. 어머니, 어머니. Again, our word for today is 어머니. This is a Korean noun which means mother. Again, 어머니 means mother. Now, how do we write 어머니 in Hangul? The word 어머니 is composed of three syllables, and let's go through each of the syllables. For the first syllable we need to draw first a no sound iang followed by an character. Next, for the second syllable mo, we need to draw first a meum character followed by an character. And then for the last syllable ni, we need to draw first a nian character followed by an e character. Again, this is composed of three syllables. It's mo, ni. And in order to write 어머니 in Hangul, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables. So that's how you write 어머니 in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned 어머니. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 61 to 70. But don't forget our word for today, word number 71, 어머니, which means mother. The first word for our review is 아버지, which means father. Next word is 나중에, which means later. Next word is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word is 알았어, which means alright, I understand, in an informal manner. Next word is 알다. This is a verb which means to know or understand. Next word is 괜찮습니다. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Next word is 괜찮아. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word is 웃다. This is another verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다. This is a verb which means to drink. And the last word for our review is word number 61, 먹다. This is a verb which means to eat. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 70. 아버지, 아버지. Again, our word for today is 아버지. The Korean word 아버지 is a noun which means father. Again, 아버지 means father. How do you write 아버지 in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable A, we need to draw first a no sound iyong followed by an A character. And then for the second syllable bo, we need to draw first a B up character followed by an O character. And for the last syllable G, we need to draw a G up character followed by an E character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these 3 syllables. And with that, you've just learned abeoji. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 60 to 69. But don't forget our word for today, word number 70, abeoji, which means father. The first word for our review is 나중에, which means later. The next word for our review is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word for our review is 알았어, which is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. The next word for our review is 알다. This is another verb which means to know or to understand. Next word is 괜찮습니다. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Next word is 괜찮아. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word for our review is 웃다. This is another verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word for our review is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. And the last word for our review is word number 60, 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.